We got a little problem here with our taillight housing. Got a broken screw that holds on the lens there. It's complicated by how kind of off kilter it is there. So it's going to be tough to drill that out and get it right. So we're going to start by leveling off this broken end with the Dremel tool before we try and drill it. There we go. Okay, I'm happy with that. Get a nice sharp center punch and we'll try drilling it. Well, this is pretty crucial, huh?
Yeah, don't miss.
Yeah, right. There goes a good load of Montana dirt. Save that. I think we did all right. Give it one more here. Good. Feels like it's going good.
Good deal.
Goes in nice. Okay, got the lens here. Last test is to make sure we can put it on and still get our new screw in. So there it goes in. Threading nicely. Not going to tighten it down because there's no gasket. There we go. Next step on these taillight housings is going to be to get these rivets out. The new gasket material goes here. So these rivets are aluminum. One fell out on its own. Here it is. So that's what's in there, is an aluminum rivet with a steel washer. So my technique on these, they're pretty soft. I take my cutoff wheel and grind off the head. If they're still hanging on after that, center punch and 1/8 inch bit will take care of the aluminum real quick and they'll fall right out. So best not to hammer on this pot metal, best to just get them out this way gently. Okay, so that's what you want. You don't really want to mess up the metal, just get as close as you can. See if we can do it without a center punch. Okay. And there it is. So I'll do the rest of them that way and move on with cleaning it up. So I've made some real good progress here with our taillights. I've polished up these bezels pretty nice. You can see those got a real nice shine to them now. Both bezels are done. Next is the taillight buckets here. So these have cleaned up really well also, front and rear. So those are done. You can also see next was the lenses, and those have polished up really nice from what they were. They were scratched and they were hazed. So now they're looking real good. Also the gaskets, these are the gaskets off the housings. Just like all Packard stuff, it's of great quality. It's still nice. Came off. I'm going to put these back on. No reason not to. Next was the reverse light lenses. See, these two are a little hazed. They've been cleaned but not polished. They're intact, but they don't look great. This came with the car. Obviously someone glued this one together at some point. And also came with the car, pretty interesting. It's in a Studebaker Packard box. It's got a part number on it. Inside here is a unused new lens. Pretty neat. But unfortunately you could see the box kind of melted to it over time. Which kind of puts this amber look around the whole deal. Pretty neat though. This came in the box. It even came with a receipt. $367 for this lens when it was bought. So I'm sure you couldn't get that for that price now. But anyways, moving forward with the lenses, I will start the process of polishing these gently. See how that goes. Hopefully I'll be able to get this haze to come out, and we'll move along with assembling these housings, the trim, the gaskets, using our new gaskets, put it all together, and we'll show you again as we start to put it all back on the car. The next step in our tail light project here is to put them together. Last you saw we were polishing lenses. That's the final result there. Reverse light lenses and the brake light lenses there. And I did a final cleanup on our bezels. You can also see I've installed the gasket for the reverse light lens. Those fit really nice. I was happy with that. Okay, the next step is to put these bottom gaskets on. This seals the light to the bumper. So these go on here somewhere, and they mount with rivets, and Packard put washers on the back side of the rivets. So I'm going to do the same thing. Here we go. Good. All right, we've got the housing with the gasket installed. We've got a nice, beautiful, cleaned up lens. That goes in there like that. And then place the chrome over the top. Carefully flip it over. Two bolts hold the bottom, and at the top there's one machine screw. There it goes. Okay, there's that put together. Now we've got two assemblies minus the reverse lights. So reverse lights are next. We're getting ready to install now the reverse light lenses. Good thing to remember the bulbs first. Well, we've tested the lights in the housing. That works. You can also see, I already pointed this out, the gaskets are installed in there. New. Very nice. Anti-seize. Comes the next one. Okay, there's a good look at a refurbished 1955 Packard Patrician taillight assembly. What's left to install these finished assemblies onto the vehicle is the gasket that seals the housing to the car itself. So this gasket goes here. And Packard had a strip of butyl along the top to seal the screw. We'll do the same. I do have new gaskets for sealing this, but the old ones are in such good shape, I'd prefer to use the original item. Well, it's Christmas here. This is, I guess, our Lever Family Racing Christmas special. So we thought we'd light up these lights for you, do a little Christmas light display of our own. 1955 Packard Patrician taillights. And there'll be more.